There are no guarantees in life, but there are principles that lead to success. If you want to win in health, fitness, and in life, you need to master these 4 C's to ensure success.
Setting a clear vision gives you the depiction, gives you the visual of what you want out of life. Is creating a vision board. Write down your vision. Write down what you want your life to look like in 6 months, 1 year. 3 years might be a lot, but what do you want your life to look like in the future? And fill in the gaps in between that. If you don't write it down, you're going to forget and you're going to miss a lot of the aspects of what inspires you and what might motivate you to continuously push yourself and do the things you need to do. Visualize techniques. Give yourself moments of quietness, silence, closing your eyes. Visualize if you have the ability to do that. Just see yourself living the life you want to live, especially in the moments where you overcome or seek to overcome obstacles, challenges, and setbacks. Write down your goals, looking for a vision board, put it up somewhere you can see it, possibly every single day, and then give yourself mental notes through the day, every day, to ensure that you're on track to live the life you want to live.
Success isn't about motivation. It's about consistency. When we hit barriers, we find things that don't work for us. When you hit obstacles, don't quit, pivot. Maintain consistency. Be as consistent as possible every single day. Look for those small wins. They compound amongst each other every single day. Even if it's taking Atomic Habits 1% every day of improvement, 365% improved is massive. You don't see it on a day-to-day, but by the end of the year, it amounts to be tremendous. There are going to be days where you don't want to do the things you need to do. Maintaining that routine and maintaining those habits ensure that you see the success that your future self deserves. Believing in yourself when no one else does. Having conviction for yourself and for your future self to ensure that you're living the life you want to live. Positive affirmations every single day, knowing that you are strong, you are capable, you are worthy, and you will succeed. Telling yourself those affirmations that you may need to hear, not because you already believe it, but because you deserve to live that life, and it is possible through affirmations every single day.
Your actions must match your goals. Maintain congruency, doing the things you need to do consistently for or towards your goals. So what you do every single day when you wake up, creating that habit, creating that routine consistently with your goals, eating the right foods, executing the workouts, not skipping days consistently, making sure that your actions are matching your goals.
Congruency is believing in yourself, doing the affirmations, reminding yourself every single day that you can do it. It is possible. Without it, there are times we're going to feel defeated, and overcoming those barriers with those positive affirmations, maintaining congruency, inevitably you will succeed, you will win in your goals. All of those factors that are essential for you to succeed.
There are no shortcuts, just the 4 C's leading you to success. Clear vision, consistency, congruency, and conviction. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it or would benefit. Thank you. Have a great day.